The second important shift is the arena of international peace and security. Even with economic growth, citizens cannot have real happiness and genuine welfare if conflicts and insecurity prevail. The good news is that relation between the major power is now marked by a rare conditions of peace and cooperation. However, this should not be taken for granted. Old conflicts and flashpoints still persist. More importantly, non-traditional security threat will gain center stage. Diseases where HIV, tuberculosis, and malaria combined have claimed more lives in the two world wars. Natural disaster, which caused 300,000 deaths last year and losses of over 100 billion US dollars and affected over 200 million people worldwide. The bomb at Russian airport 3 days ago reminded us that terrorism will continue to haunt us. Extremism and intolerance is also on the rise. Dealing with all these new types of threat will require all of us to adjust our security mindset. The third shift is driven by climate change. Over the next several decades, the world community will need to collectively move away from high carbon economy to low carbon development path. This will involve much more than a matter of striking a deal on global climate treaty. This will involve a paradigm shift and a radical change across the board alteration in how we live our life, how we work, how we spend our finite resources, and how we pursue governments and corporate policies. All in all, it will be a very complex transition, but it will be the first truly global cooperation to address a common threat. The big question